Crayons are a popular art tool for kids and adults alike, but they can also create a mess when they come in contact with clothing or other fabrics. Crayon stains are stubborn and difficult to remove, but with the right techniques, you can get rid of them effectively. Number 1. Hot water and soap. For general cleaning, use hot water and soap. Wet the area with warm water, then scrub with a mild soap. Use a white cloth to rinse the area clean. Number 2. Baking soda and vinegar. To remove crayon from painted surfaces, mix half cup of baking soda with 1 cup of vinegar. Soak a cloth or white paper towel in the solution and wipe the surface clean until the excess crayon comes off. Number 3. Hydrogen peroxide. If you have an ink stain that won't come out with other methods, try using hydrogen peroxide. Mix 3 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide with 1 quart of water, then soak a cloth in the solution and wring it out. Apply the cloth to the stain and wait 10 minutes. Number 4. Stain remover. Apply the stain remover to the affected area and follow the instructions carefully. Removing crayon stains can be a challenge, but with the right techniques, you can get rid of them effectively. And that's it! What are your thoughts in this video? Let us know in the comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.